Hi, I'm Evaldo Albuquerque, and today I want to talk to you about the Canadian dollar. So we are looking at a daily chart of the pair USD CAD, and about a week ago I wrote an article explaining why I was expecting the price of oil to continue to move lower. And in that article I recommended buying the pair USD CAD, which is basically betting that the dollar will rise against the Canadian dollar. And the reason I did that is because the Canadian dollar tends to follow the price of oil. So since I was expecting the price of oil to move lower, I was expecting the Canadian dollar to depreciate against the dollar. In other words, I was expecting this pair to rally. And as you can see in the daily chart, the pair USD CAD is indeed rallying, and there are a few things to keep in mind here in this chart. First, you can see here that the pair was in a downtrend going back to last year, but the pair has now violated this downtrend. So this is an indication that the pair will most likely continue to move higher. Another thing to keep in mind is that the pair for the most part of this year, the pair was moving sideways between 1 and 0.98, and that created a technical formation known as box. There was this breakout to the downside, but that turned out to be a false breakout, and now you can see that the pair has actually broken to the upside of this box, and this is another indication that the dollar will most likely continue to rally against the Canadian dollar. Notice also that I have the 50-day moving average, this blue line, and it seems that the 50-day moving average is also turning to the upside. So all these three factors indicate that the dollar will most likely continue to rally against the Canadian dollar. So I would use any correction to the downside, any pullbacks, to buy this currency pair, to buy the dollar against the Canadian dollar, because it seems that the dollar will continue to rally against the Canadian dollar as oil continues to move lower. So make sure you keep an eye on this chart and buy the dollar on pullbacks. And that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.